guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a minute, and let me tell y'all, with this whole quarantine thing going on, being pregnant and going to beauty school, I am seriously trying to find the time to record for you guys. So what better time than during this quarantine? And of course, why not a quarantine look? This is a really simple look. Also, I'm gonna be doing something that I've been seeing on YouTube a lot, which is crazy because my grandmother used to put this stuff on me during like the summertime when mosquitoes would come out. So I'm really intrigued to see how this is gonna pan out. But let's go ahead and get right into it. Not to further anymore for you guys. Also, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and if you feel like commenting, do so. And join the family. You know, if it's your first time meeting Imani E, this is she. How you doing? And if not, welcome back, guys. So, without further ado, let's go. I got some brushes from Moda. This is one of the things that I've gotten so far. I've gotten another PR from, I'm sorry, they're down here if you see me looking, from Nika K. I want to say that's how you pronounce that. Kiss Professionals, Absolute New York. So I got some things that I want to do for you guys, and also I bought some new products, but yeah. So the things that I picked up that I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Lasting Fix. If you guys can see that. By the way, I got a new camera, so I'm steady trying to work on it. I picked up this e.l.f. Keep Your Balance Toner with hyaluronic acid, aloe, and witch hazel. I have another one. It's by Olay, but that's I believe that's another toner too. It also has witch hazel in it. But I use that for when I clean my face. There we go. And for the eyes, I saw this was by Profusion Spectrum 10 Shade Pro Pigment Palette. And I just thought these colors were so cute. They had a pastel one too, but I just wanted to keep with this one. And for the surprise of what I'm going to be using on my face, guys, I'm going to be using, can we get a drum roll? Calamine lotion. Yes, calamine lotion. I know you guys are like, what the freak? But like I said, I've been seeing it going on, and I've heard that it's pretty good with giving you a smooth application. So let's go ahead and see how this works out for the kid. Disregard that. So I know you guys see this crazy wall behind me, but I will be doing a glam room tour. This backdrop right now is just a temporary one until my other one gets here. I'm trying to get this glam room together while getting this baby's room together, and I think my priority has been more so with my son's room. So I'm going to be taking these premium oval cotton oval swab thingies. Yes. And the first thing I'm going to do is wipe my face down. Oh, another thing I didn't show you that I picked up, guys. I picked up this Master Prime. It's a primer and base by Maybelline. It blurs and smooths. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows right now. I'm gonna put on the primer last as far as when I'm done with my eyebrows. So I'm gonna be going in with the Absolute New York Super Slim. It's in the shade Smoke. Can y'all see that? It probably won't even focus for you guys. So yeah. Okay, so now guys, moving on to the next step, I'm gonna see how this calamine lotion goes. I'm gonna use one of these beauty sponges just to see, because I don't want to apply too much on my face. Oh my gosh, it came out like a I just spilled it because it didn't like soak into the thing. I just want to see how this comes out. I'm gonna put it in my T-zone because that's where I get really oily at. And go in with my shadow brush from Moda. So I'm gonna go in with the color, wow, that's a shocker, Jesus. I'm gonna go in with the color Lucky. I just put that on my lid. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack the rest of my lid with my finger because I just feel like it rubs off better that way, as opposed to the brush just pushing it everywhere. So now that I packed that green on my lid, I'm gonna go in with Marigold. Marigold is like that yellow up in that corner, but I'm gonna go in with a different brush. And I'm gonna be using my smoky eye brush. Like I said, I'm gonna go back in with Lucky and I'll place that back on my lid. Okay, so there's that. Now, time for the seriousness, guys, the gobbledygook. Let's see how this foundation is going to look like now. Going in with Maybelline in the color 330 Toffee Caramel. No, the freak way. Y'all, this really works. Like, hold on. My skin looks smooth. I will say, I'm in school for this. So do I recommend putting it on your face? I mean, I would choose this over the whole Milk of Magnesia, because you're supposed to digest that. Whereas this one is okay with sitting on your skin. I just think, personally, you should make sure your skin is clean, and then on top of that, use a primer still. Don't just use this as a primer. Still use a primer. This is crazy. I normally keep the beauty blender to blend it out, but I wanted to keep using my brushes. Okay, so that's that. Now we're gonna move on to the contouring portion. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Let's see if you guys can see that. And do my normal bit. Okay, so because I want to up the ante on this quarantine look, I'm gonna put some gloss over that green. And I'm just going to use regular lip gloss. So. So let's see how I want to do this. I want to kind of have it to where it's like a ombre carrying over with the yellow and the green. So I think I'm going to go back into that same palette, but just I'm going to apply it to my lips. So I went ahead and used some glitter under my eye just to make the look pop, but this is pretty much the look, guys.